The US-based organization, Sikhs for Justice, while condemning the terrorist attack on Gurdwara in Kabul, has said attacks on Sikh Gurdwaras have always been Indian state-sponsored. In a video message, General Counsel of the organization called upon Sikh community to support Khalistan Referendum scheduled next year, to create a separate homeland for themselves in Indian-occupied Punjab. According to media reports, India's notorious spy agency RAW is running propaganda campaigns in the United States and across Europe to weaken Khalistan movement. The media reports said Sikhs are being targeted across the world. Media reports revealed that due to its strong links with ISIS, the Indian spy agency is also continuously targeting Sikh community in Afghanistan.